Did you know that your diet can significantly impact your kidney health? It's true. What we consume daily can either support or strain our kidneys. Today, we're embarking on a journey of discovery, exploring the top 8 protein choices that can help us maintain optimal kidney health. High creatinine levels are often a wake-up call, signaling that our kidneys need a little extra care. But fear not. Nature's bounty offers us powerful allies to combat this issue. Starting our journey with number 8. Fish, preferably fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. These are not just sources of high-quality protein, but they are also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, and they help keep our heart healthy too. Plus, fish is a low-sodium protein source that is kind to our kidneys. Moving on to number 7, we find the ever-versatile chicken breast. Chicken is the go-to protein source for many, and for good reason. It's lean, it's easy to cook, and it pairs well with a myriad of flavors. More importantly, it's low in potassium and phosphorus, making it a kidney-friendly choice. Sailing in at number 6 is Greek yogurt, a creamy delight that transcends breakfast time. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein, and it's also rich in probiotics. These friendly bacteria do wonders for our gut health, which in turn can support kidney function. But remember, always opt for the unsweetened variety to avoid any hidden sugars. Navigating to the middle of our list at number 5 is quinoa, often hailed as a superfood. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need. It's also high in fiber, and it's gluten-free. This grain-like seed is a star when it comes to supporting kidney health. Why? Because it's low in potassium and phosphorus, 2 minerals that kidney patients need to monitor closely. So, there we have it, the first half of our top 8 protein sources for kidney health. From the sea to the coop, from the dairy aisle to the grain bin, we're exploring the best ways to nourish our bodies and keep our kidneys happy. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown. Navigating to the middle of our list at number 5 is quinoa, often hailed as a superfood. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids our bodies need. And it's a source of fiber, which helps keep our digestive system running smoothly. Here's to our health, one meal at a time. At number 4, red lentils, a staple in the pantry of health-conscious individuals around the globe. These little legumes pack a powerful protein punch, and they're incredibly versatile too. Whip up a comforting soup or toss them into a refreshing salad. Their mild flavor easily absorbs the spices and seasonings, making them a delightful addition to any meal. Moving on to number 3, we find cottage cheese. This dairy delight is both versatile and nutritious. You can enjoy it straight from the tub or use it as a high-protein addition to your smoothies. It's also a great topping for fruits and whole grain toast. The creamy texture and slight tang make it a crowd favorite. Next in line at number 2 stands tofu. This marvel of culinary versatility is a beacon of health benefits. Made from soybeans, tofu is a complete protein, meaning it provides all the essential amino acids your body needs. It's also an excellent source of iron and calcium. Stir-fry it, blend it into smoothies, or even bake it. The possibilities with tofu are endless. And now, at the pinnacle of our list, egg whites claim the top spot. Esteemed for their pure, high-quality protein, egg whites are a breakfast staple that goes beyond the morning meal. Whip them into a fluffy meringue, use them to lighten up your pancakes, or scramble them for a quick and easy protein boost. They're low in calories, high in protein, and provide a perfect blank canvas for your favorite spices and seasonings. Whether you're a seafood lover, a chicken enthusiast, a vegetarian, or a vegan, there's a protein-rich food out there for you. Remember, variety is the spice of life. So don't be afraid to mix things up and try new recipes. Your kidneys will thank you, and so will your taste buds. And now, at the pinnacle of our list, egg whites claim the top spot, esteemed for their pure, high-quality protein. Until next time, eat well, live well. Let's recap our top 8 protein choices for kidney health. Egg whites, tofu, cottage cheese, red lentils, quinoa, Greek yogurt, chicken breast, and fish, particularly salmon and mackerel. These choices aren't just nutritious, they're delicious too. Thank you for joining us today at our channel. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our future health tips and recipes. Here's to your health and happiness, one meal at a time.